Tibetan Buddhism from the 20th of the 8th month of 1446. Where does Bon end and Tibetan Buddhism begin? Shingangshu certainly continues it for the scholars. Transmission can go beyond language and culture. Translations are all that is left of some of what trains bodies and characters. Apprehension surely passes on from all the war and persecution. The transmission and practices can convince by the spectacular. Little perfections add up to a more attainable science. Rapidly or gradually, India also brought in its ritual forms. Hence, ordinary things are transcended by associations of substances and objects. Universality is almost out of reach because of a lack of qualifications. Spiritual teachings and practices discover and are according to our truly natural condition. Already proved obsolete by the Tibetan Book of the Dead was the New Age religion. One of the things that the Bardo Godal and other texts prove is that the sort of things that people call New Age already existed. And as a rule, the New Age is less disciplined form. And there's other issues you could say with the difference between New Age and direct forms of other previously experiential based paths and scholarly compositions of spiritual paths and that sort of thing. There seems to be a difference in intention and such, although you could say it's the liberal form of a hodgepodge of other paths, and that was done before too. So